We really wanted to show how important sexual grooming is to the child sexual abuse process because we need to, A, understand it so that we can prevent it, but also how to identify it and prosecute it. And so we've been citing old statistics like from the 1990s where they hadn't really comprehensively defined grooming. I think they used like, giving gifts, for example. So it was just a very finite thing. And that was the only study that really talked about how common these behaviors were. And they had an estimate of about 50%. But those of you in this field know when you talk to survivors of childhood sexual abuse, almost every single one of them describes sexual grooming. And so we wanted to put a number on that so that we can show how important this work is, so that we can integrate it into prevention, detection, policies, procedures.